We're going to Thai barbecue.
Bawal naman barbecue.
Bawal ang barbecue kasi Friday. Because it's the Lenten season. Pero, meron namang seafoods doon. Grabe ka naman. May seafoods doon, guys. So, punta tayo doon. So, ito siya. Ito siya. Thai barbecue. Ito. Yay! We're here! For 3. Say here. So last time I was in LA, dinala ko ng isang friend ko sa Thai barbecue na to and nagustuhan ko talaga siya. So I was so happy when I saw na meron sila here in Verdes North. So yun lang. Kaya gusto ko siya. Kasi the last time that I was here sa Verdes, ibang restaurant yung kinainan namin. So today, eto na, finally. We're gonna eat at Thai barbecue. Masarap siya guys. Try nyo din. Good siya. So we'll have tom yum. Yung tom yum buong. It has shrimp, so pwede siya for a Friday. Dahil lang ko ng season. And then of course, we're gonna avoid the meat. Sayang naman barbecue. Pero yun. I like seafood though. So this one's pomelo salad with shrimp. Ayan. Super nice. This one's tom yum. Try. It's good. Ang masarap kasi sa Thai food.
Fresh sila lang.
Sobrang yung spices nila, very distinct. As in, sila, rich in spices, yung food nila. Yun sila sa basil. Sama cilantro. Ako naman, mahilig ako sa mga tomatoes, pomodoro. Katulad nito. Saka kinuha ko talaga yung mga tomatoes sa mga dish. Like last night dun sa chorizo, may tomatoes kinuha ko. This is pineapple fried rice. Tignan nyo yung presentation. And pad thai. Pad thai with shrimp. Pad thai with shrimp. Very generous yung fried rice nila. Oh my gosh. For someone na hindi nag-rice. Yung tom yum nila is very mild lang yung pagka-spicy. Since si Andy kasi talagang ayaw niya ng spicy food. So, here we go. Masarap siya. Sobrang sakto. And then, ayun na si Pao. And 2 shrimps, 2 large shrimps. So, it's very, really good.
Ang binigay pa ng gamot sa doktor.
Halika na, let's eat. So guys, sobrang sarap ng food. Wala akong masabi. Oyster cake, good. The pad thai, good. The tom yum, good. The pomelo salad, it's good. And the pineapple rice, it's very good. As well as the vegetable curry. Sobrang masarap siya. Everything's good. So, yung first time that I tried this was in LA years back. And the taste of the food here in Manila is still very good. So, okay siya. The ambiance is nice. Mukha siyang fine dining. Although yung sa US na Thai barbecue, I don't know if they changed na the whole setup. Pero it's more casual. Dito medyo, ano siya, medyo semi-formal yung dating niya. Ganon. Or medyo parang may pagka kasi ito, meron silang room. Itong room na to, na parang may room sila na parang good for siguro mga ano to, about 20, I think, kasha. So, pwede kayong mag-meeting, mag-hold ng intimate event, small party, ganyan. So, they have that room here. Pwede nyo, may sliding door sila na pwedeng i-close yun for privacy nyo. Ayan. So, ayun, the whole restaurant is okay and nice. Maganda yung ambiance. So, yun, for family. And worth it yung price kasi hindi siya pricey and malaki yung serving. So, very, very sulit. So, try nyo guys here at Thai Barbecue Restaurant. They have it in LA and now they have it in Manila. So, yeah, good food. What can you say about the food? Andy, what can you say about the food?
Okay naman. Sarap.
Did you like it? Did you like it? Okay, good. So guys, ang dami naming leftover. Ang dami naming iuwi. Ang dami pang rice, ang dami pang pantay, ang dami pang tom yum, done. Ubus na siya. Sarap ng tom yum soup. So we're gonna have this wrap. So meron pa akong food until tonight. Wow! Seafood galore. Anyway, so yun. Ang sarap ng Thai barbecue restaurant here. Ang sarap ng ng food. Ng food dito sa Thai restaurant. Sa Thai barbecue restaurant. So, okay. Yun lang naman. And until next time. Sobrang sarap. Sobrang na-enjoy namin. And yes, I will come back next time. Favorite ko yung mga Thai foods. So, ayun. Nakakabusog lang talaga. Sobrang. Ang dami nung serving. Sobrang sulit.